I'm gonna put this in the water. Let's go.
Oh my god, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that water. Oh, coming out. Coming out. Hi everyone. So today I have many blind bags and I would like to open each one. Let's get started. So this one, Hatchimals. What's inside? Ooh. Oh, I get one egg. Okay. Oh, you see this? I can crack it or open it. Okay. Oh wow, it looks like real egg. And I see the small figure. Oh wow, dragon. Look, so glitter. Cute. You can just sitting in the egg. Whoop. Next one, churros. Ooh. Ta-da! So messy. Super cute. Oh, this is my first churro. Okay, stay there. And so this is a neon star by Tokidoki. The first one? Oh no, just one. Oh, just one. Oh wow, so pinky. So I got, there's no any like checklist. So yeah, this is the plush neon star by Tokidoki. Okay, keep going. Let's open the second neon star. Ta-da! Oh, okay. Here. So I got the orange unicorn. Whoop. This is kind of cool. Okay. And then, Tsum Tsum. Let's use scissors. Alright. Who's inside? Ta-da! Oh! Okay, here you go. It's really stable. And next. So this is a Smushy Mushy Bestie's blind bag. It's candy and surprises. Okay. So the first. Oops. Oh, okay. So this is a squishy. The charm. Oh, okay. Charm. Charms. Oh, yeah. This girl. This one. Candy. Mini poster like this. So this is the first. And then this is the second. The candy, squishy, and the bracelet. So I get 4 stuff. Oh, wow. It's so cool. Let me see. Mine as well. I should just wear. Super cute. Okay, let's move on to next one. This one. So I picked it up from Japan. It's a super soft bakery. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh, the loaf. This one. Oh yeah, it is soft. Yeah, good texture. I like this. So total, 10 designs. Oh, these would be so cute too. This one different series. It's like cake series. Alright, next. Okay, let's open Tsum Tsum again. I have two bags. One is so bulky, one is more flat. Okay, let me go for the flat one first. Ta-dam! Ah, okay. These guys. The Sally and Jack. Oh my god. I haven't collected Tsum Tsum. It was like super popular like 5-6 years ago when they came out. Here, but it's so cute. I'm kind of afraid I'm gonna start collecting these. Okay, and next. Okay. Ooh, Pinocchio. So this one is bigger and the other one is smaller. Super small. Cha-chang. So cute. Like this? Oh no, like that. Okay. Ah, so cute. I have one more Tsum Tsum. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, look at this. The grandpa from the Up. Super cute. Look at the balloons. Wow. And look. Oh, too cute. Alright, next. Okay. I want to do the Num Noms. Mix and match hair. It's scented. Party hair. Okay. It looks like a candy wrap. Okay, looks like a candy. Haha. Okay. Alright, I get the hair. It looks funny. Okay, so I got the topper, like topping. That's it? Okay. So this one, I just get that topping. This one, glitter. Oh, this is a lip gloss. Let's just open. Oh, it's so cute. It's like cream puff. Ah, wow. This must be the lip gloss. Smells like like cinnamon or something. Anyways, it's so cute. I'm gonna put it back. Here we go. Ah, Num Noms, so cute. And this is My Little Pony movie. Okay. Big head. It's like the silicone kind of material. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Wow, this is also cute. And I have the same type of a blind box, I guess, Star Wars. So let's open this one too. Oh, yeah, this guy. Wow, this is like so much squishier than My Little Pony. My Little Pony is it's kind of hard to squish, but this one, see? Whoa. I like it. Okay, next. Okay, Num Noms again. This one smells so delicious. Sparkle smoothies. Okay. Oops. Oh, finally, I got the shake. Oh, this is so cute. This is also lip gloss. Twist it. like this. Oh wow, I would totally use this. Are super cute. And you can put that topper. Wow, cute. I love it. I love this one the most. Okay, next I have one more num noms. So this one light, so it must be light up. Open right here. It's like milk. Cha-chan. Whoa, okay, so let's pull this out. And then what? Right here? It doesn't light up. No light? Oh well. It happens. Okay, so this. Wow, num-noms are super cute. Okay, and then next. Okay, so I have a few more things. And this is a Raymond. It's like squishy blind bag. Let's open. I wish to have dangle. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh! Oh, okay, it's cute. It wasn't dango, but it's actually a different type of a mochi. The strawberry mochi. Ichigo daifuku. Kawaii. It's not really super slow rising, but it's softer than I expected. Cute. Alright, next. So the last one, I want to do this, the Gudetama Bath Bomb. Some of them are so gold, and this is a secret. There should be 2 secrets. Okay, so let's open. Open. Oh, okay, looks like egg. Gudetama. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the water. Let's go. I don't know how long I have to wait. Let's just wait. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna put my hand. No, maybe I need a spoon. Okay, hold on. Okay, I see something. Ooh, I see gold. Okay. Ta-da! Wow. Okay, let's check if it's secret or not. So this was this one. Fukurokuju. It's like a good fortune and wealth. Cool. I like it. Okay, so I opened so many blind bags today, and yeah, one of my most favorite would be it's kind of difficult, but this one. So this has a topper, and you can open it and use as a lip gloss. This is super cute, and also the squishy. This is so cute. And yeah, that's it. Basically, I liked everything. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm gonna make more videos soon. See you next time. Bye bye.